मॉर्निंग हिंगा आमी वेलसांव रेल्वे क्रॉसिंगा कडेन आहा आतां. काली आमचे पुलीस रेल्वे पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स आनी आयज गोंयच्या पुलीस बीन येयल्ले, गोवा पुलीस फ्रॉम वेर्ना पुलीस स्टेशन. आनी भावान मॅक्स डिसुजा तेणें सगळें एक्सप्लेन केलां तांकां इन डिटेल. ऑल द डॉक्युमेंट्स आमकां आहाय ते जाग्याचे. ही आमची दिसती पडटी सगळी आमची लोकांची रायट ऑफ वे. ती रेल्वे क्लेम करता तेंची म्हूण तिथे खूंय हांबे हे पोस्ट घायल म्हूण तेंगे ती जाग तेंच जायना. सो आम कितें म्हणटा तुमगे प्रूफ कराय आमगे लोकांक, कित्याक ही आमची पांया वाट आमी लोकांनी आमी पुर्वजांनी दवरली सारकी. आनी आज पर्यंत लोक उजा कोता. आतां तेणी तिंगा मुखार तेणी स्लिपर घायल्याय आनी आमची वाट बंद केल्या. ही सारकी न्हू. फाल्यां आमी ते हात लायले आमचे केस घातले. आतां कोणा आमी अपील करपाचें? गव्हर्मेंट आमगे कांय आयकना. सो आतां आमच्या हातीन भायर पडा. कळ्ळें? आमचे विलेज एक्शन कमिटी आहा, हिंगा गोंयचो एकवट आहा आनी जायतीं ऑर्गनायजेशनी एक लागून झुजताय. म्हणल्यार हें सारकें न्हू. गव्हर्मेंट हें कितें करता तें सारकें न्हू. दीस इज अगेन्स्ट द वील ऑफ द पीपल. हें कितें गव्हर्मेंट कितें इवन लोकल सेल्फ गव्हर्निंग बॉडी द पंचायत आहा तेका खंय रिस्पेक्ट कोनाय. सो वेर आर वी हेडिंग टू? What is this? So do they want a mobocracy like what has happened in Delhi the other day? Do they want us mobs to get on the railway tracks? Is it this is what it is heading to?
For the last 1 week, they have been attempting to do some work in the pathway that we have kept for our villagers. We have told them, come with your permissions, apply to the panchayat, and we'll give you permission to replace a damaged cable, but they want to use brute force and do it. The railway police came here yesterday. I showed them the documents. I showed them that the area does not belong to them. I also told them that the railway police that we have written to the permanent way people to come and settle their boundary. But they refuse to come. We've been writing to them since November. Then this police inspector yesterday, railway police inspector yesterday, said that he would fix an appointment and come today. In the evening at 5:20, that officer in charge of the permanent way from the South Permanent Railway, he calls me up and he calls me to Kansalni station. He says, come immediately, I have to catch the 10 to 6 train. We are not free like that. You come here, and he says, I don't have any documents. I said, you don't have any documents. How do you want to build something? So today also, we had the railway police. We have explained to the inspector the same thing. And they also agreed that unless they get written permission from the panchayat, they can't do any work unless they establish that the land is theirs. So today also they have gone back.